Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are well and hearty. Welcome to NIEBS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English class for the students of class 5 on the topic Unit 7, Lesson 1 to 5. I am repeating, today our topic is Unit 7, Lesson 1 to 5. Students, this is our 8th lecture and 4th homework. I'm repeating, this is our 8th lecture and 4th homework. Students, please take your textbook and writing elements. We are going to read the text and after that we'll do some exercise. So let's begin. Unit 7, lesson 1 to page number 26. This is about be healthy. So, in this picture, what can you see? This is a sunny summer day and here two girls are talking each other. So, today we are going to read this conversation between these two girls named Shima and Nasrin. And after that, we'll do some exercise. So, the conversation starts with Shima. Shima is asking, "What are you doing, Nasrin?" And in reply, Nasrin is answering, "I'm putting some chocolate on my ice cream. Ice cream is delicious with chocolate." And Shima is saying, "Well, it looks good, but you shouldn't eat a lot of chocolate or ice cream." Nasrin is saying, "Of course, I don't eat them regularly." Shima is asking to Nasrin, "What kind of food do you eat regularly?" Nasrin is replying, "Oh, fruits and vegetables. I love pineapples and bananas. They are my favorites. I eat cucumbers and lettuce a lot too." Shima is saying, "I eat fruits and vegetables every day. Carrots and tomatoes are my favorites, but I also like strawberries and bananas." Nasrin is saying, "Would you like to try some of my ice cream with chocolate? We should eat it quickly. It will melt soon in this hot weather." Shima says, "Okay, thanks." So from this conversation, we come to know that two girls are talking about each other. They are talking about their favorite fruits and they eat chocolate with ice cream. And their favorite fruits are healthy fruits. Now students will do some question answer. These question answer are given in your book. Answer the following questions. Our first question is, what is Nasrin putting chocolate on? So in this picture, what can you see? Here, Nasrin is putting chocolate on ice cream. So you can see, "I'm putting some chocolate on my ice cream," Nasrin is saying. So we have to write, Nasrin is putting chocolate on ice cream. You have to write, Nasrin is putting chocolate on ice cream. Question number 2, why doesn't Nasrin eat chocolate regularly? So do you know the answer why Nasrin doesn't eat chocolate regularly? Okay, look. Well, it looks good, but you shouldn't eat a lot of chocolate or ice cream. Yes, here Shima is advising Nasrin not to eat chocolate regularly because it is not healthy. So we have to write the answer like this. Nasrin doesn't eat chocolate regularly because it is unhealthy. The answer will be, Nasrin doesn't eat chocolate regularly because it is unhealthy. Question number 3, what does Nasrin say about ice cream with chocolate? So you have to answer like this. Nasrin says that ice cream with chocolate is delicious. I'm repeating the answer again. Nasrin says that ice cream with chocolate is delicious. Question number 4. What are Nasrin's favorite foods? Are these healthy foods? Okay, so here we are talking about Nasrin's favorite food. So here we find fruits and vegetables. I love pineapples and bananas. They are my favorites. These sentences are said by Nasrin. So Nasrin's favorite foods are pineapples and bananas. You have to write pineapples and bananas are Nasrin's favorite foods. Yes, these are healthy foods. I'm repeating the answer. Pineapples and bananas are Nasrin's favorite foods. Yes, these are healthy foods. Now last question, question number 5. What are Seema's favorite foods? Are these healthy foods? Okay, now it's time to talk about Seema's favorite food. So Seema's favorite foods are, look here, I eat fruits and vegetables every day. Carrots and tomatoes are my favorites. So these are said by Seema. So Seema's favorite foods are carrots and tomatoes. So we can write carrots and tomatoes are Seema's favorite foods. Yes, these foods are healthy. So carrots and tomatoes are healthy foods. Now students, I am giving your homework. Your homework will be question 1 to 3. From this given, you have to write the answer of question 1, 2, 3. And you will write only answer. Please student, mark here only answer. No need to pick these questions. You will write only answer of question 1, 2, 3. And don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number at the top of the corner of your copy. Our lecture number is 8 and homework number is 4. Students, do your homework and submit your homework copies on every Saturdays. You have to submit your copies because you will get your marks based on your homework copy. Guardians or anyone else can come to school and can submit your homework copies. And you will get returned these copies on next Saturday. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.